What does a typical day look like for me in York?
A typical day for me, it actually depends, but usually I'll have a lecture or seminar in the morning, sometimes theory class, and sometimes it is a practical class. Usually my classes starts from 9 a.m. and can go on until 6 p.m. In the evening, usually on Mondays, I have pickleball practice with the university pickleball team, and that's about it. But now since it is currently Ramadan, I'll go Tarawih with my friends and I will do some submissions if there are submissions assigned by my lecturer.
What do I love the most living in York?
I really like living in York because it's such a calm city. It's not overwhelming, everything's walkable, and the city center is really pretty. There are so many cute cafes to discover, and there are nice places to do work in a new environment. It just feels like a really nice place to be a student. We also celebrate cultural festivals here like Eid, Chinese New Year, Deepavalis, and others.
What is the teaching style for actuarial science in York?
I'll say the teaching is quite supportive. Lectures explain the content, and then seminars are where you actually can ask questions and understand what's going on. And if you don't get something, the lectures are approachable, which helps a lot. They also provide office hour where you can ask questions outside of the classrooms.
So what job will I like to do after graduating from York?
After graduating, I would like to go into something related to risk management. Since I've done 2 internships in this area, I think the courses prepare us well because it builds analytic and problem solving skills. Also, in our final year, there are optional modules that you can choose to fit your career path. And for me, I'll definitely pick modules related to risk management.
One best piece of advice I would like to give is
I'm not gonna lie, this course might be tough, but just stay consistent. Ask for help when you needed it and try to enjoy uni life as well and not just the studying part. Get involved in societies at uni and join events or sports. You will definitely enjoy life here in York as there are so many interesting things to discover here. As for me, I've done volunteering and pickleball while balancing my studies. Here's some clips for you to enjoy. Come and join to be a part of us here.